student. Today in our practical class we are going to do the food test, and today we are going to do for the starch and the lipids. So before proceeding for the test, you should know what is starch. So starch or amylum is a carbohydrate consisting of large number of glucose units which are joined together by the glucosidic bonds. So large number of glucose units and they are joined together by the glucosidic bonds. It is important carbohydrate in human diet, and it is produced by all vegetables as an energy source. It is contained in cereals such as wheat, corn and rice, and tubers such as potatoes. So you see this. For starch, which test we do? We do the iodine test for the starch. So what is an iodine test? Because starch, they are slightly soluble in water and it forms a colloidal solution in water. They form colloidal solution. Starch is a mixture of polysaccharides, amylose and the amylopectin. The relative amount of the two polysaccharides, they vary in different type of starches. For example, if we see amylose molecule, then it consists of a long straight chain of glucose unit, means a glucose unit long straight chain. And in case of amylopectin, it is a complicated branch structure. It is branch structure and complicated. The two polysaccharides, they combine with iodine to form the characteristic blue-black color of the standard iodine test. So whenever conformity test of this starch is done with iodine, then you will get a blue-black color. You will get a blue-black color. So what is the procedure? How you are going to do it? In the test tube, you take a test tube, and in the test tube you take the starch solution. Now to this starch solution you add a few drops of iodine solution and you shake it well. After this, when shaking it well, what observation you will see? You will see a blue-black coloration which indicates the presence of starch. You will get a blue-black coloration. This is a conformity test. So in this diagram also you can see the blue color you are getting of the which is indicating the presence of starch, and here is the in another the starch is absent. Now, what are the basis for a positive result of iodine test? When starch is treated with iodine solution, a polyiodide complex is formed with the starch. कि जब हम starch solution है उसमें iodine डालेंगे तो ये जो blue black color होता है वो क्यों बनता है? Because of the presence of polyiodide complex as you have seen in the diagram. So now next test we are going to do for fats or the lipids. So before proceeding for the fat test, what we should know what are fats or lipids are. Lipids are the molecules that contain hydrocarbon and they are the building blocks of our body. They are very important and they are the essential source of energy also. Example of lipids are the fats, the oils and the waxes. Now for this lipids, which test we do? Anyone of you? Yes, the Sudan dye test we are going to do for these lipids. They are the azo compounds and used for coloring matter, means they are used for coloring the things. If you are coloring the oil, coloring the waxes, floor polishes, etc. Now, what is Sudan 3 test for lipids? In lipids, as you know, it includes oil, fats and waxes. Now the procedure. Again, what you are going to, the requirements are the test tube. In the test tube, you add this oil and add a few drops of Sudan 3 and shake it well. To the oil, you will add few drops of Sudan 3 and shake it well. What you are going to observe? After this, you will see a red stained oil layer of droplets. You see in the diagram a red stained oil layer of droplets which indicate the presence of the fats in the solution, and you can see this in the diagram also. Now what is the basis for a positive result of Sudan 3 test? The Sudan 3 is a red fat soluble and it is therefore what is, as it is fat soluble, so it reacts with the lipids to form stained red color, and which comes on the surface. The lipids, they are less denser than water. So what happens whenever, when oil is less dense than water and insoluble in water, the oil will form a layer of globules over the water and appear as a red layer above the water in the test tube. पानी में भी देखा आपने, तेल डालिए, तेल की बूंदें पानी पे चलती हैं. इसी तरह से जब ये ऑयल का आपने लिया सोल्यूशन, सुडान का डाला, तो जो ऑयल था उसने क्या, रेड रिंग बना ली ऊपर, जो आप यू विल बी एबल टू सी एज आई हैव शोन यू इन द डायग्राम. आपने डायग्राम में देखा. तो दिस इज़ अ पॉजिटिव टेस्ट फॉर सुडान. So remember, when for the starch, iodine, blue black color, and these for fats, oils, we are using this Sudan dye, and it will appear as a red ring like coat over the surface of the test tube. So hope you have understood. It's very simple, and tomorrow we are going to do the next test, food test. Okay, thank you.